Let's go find that bull's burrow.
Snakes? Why'd it have to be snakes?
I'm just about to harbor.
There it is again!
Nature-gut, my sweet. There's nothing there.
So, what are you guys? Vegetarians?
Oh no, we're scavengers. Oh, so you eat scavenge? That sounds delicious.
But of course,